Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the fraction. Students, in previous video already we have discussed about the types of fractions, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and also mixed fraction. So students, but today we are going to continue and we are going to discuss about that special types of fractions, that is unity fractions and like fractions and unlike fractions. So what do you know that like fractions? Do you have idea about that? Yes, of course, may you have studied that in 6th standard. So once you will recall that what is the like fraction. So like fraction means the fractions having same denominators. You know that students, whenever we are writing a fraction, we have to write in the numerator as a denominator, like that form you have to write, P by Q form you have written. So Q is the denominator. So if there some fractions you have to select or you have taken, that fractions if the denominators are same, that is called as a like fraction. And the fractions having different denominators, that is called as unlike fractions. Okay students? And also if the fraction having one as a numerator, that is called as unity fractions. So let us start that what is that like fraction, unlike fraction and unity fractions, and the sum of the fractions, different fractions we will study in this video. So let us start that students. First of all we will discuss what is that like fraction. The fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. Example students, I have written here, you can see that 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. This all the denominators are observed that students 7 only. So that means it's same. So these fractions are called like fractions. Okay. Suppose one more example I will write 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5. So these are the denominators are, you observe that all are the 5 or same. So that's why these are called like fractions. So next we will discuss about that what is that unlike fractions. The fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions, like 5 by 3, 2 by 6, 2 by 5, 1 by 7. So these denominators observed, these are all are the different 3, 6, 5, 7. Compared to this and this, you will observe that these all denominators are same, whereas these all denominators are different. So these are called unlike fractions. If you will take that so many examples also you can take. Next we are going to discuss about that what is the unity fraction. Unity fraction मतलब क्या होता है बेटे ना, unity मतलब क्या है, 1 है. Unity means 1. So if the numerator as a 1, the fractions having 1 as a numerator are called unity fractions. Example 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 7. The numerator observe, if that numerators are 1, now here all fractions having numerator as a 1, so these are called unity fractions. Okay students, now these are all about that like fraction, unlike fractions and unity fraction. This is called as also special fractions. Okay, now we will go for that study about that sum of the two fractions or the difference of the two fractions or three fractions. So first of all we will discuss about the sum and next we will go for the discussion about that subtraction. So I have written that one problems here, 3 plus 7 by 8. Look at students here the first number is a whole number and its denominator what is that? If nothing is there, any whole numbers that are natural numbers, its denominator is 1. Remember the students, its denominator is 1. So we can do the solution. First of all, first write down the question 3 by 1. So now first of all take that LCM. 1 and 8 LCM is 8. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. 8 3 is 24 plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. So is equal to, if you will add both, 31 by 8. This is our answer. Okay. So next same like students you can do subtraction. How like you have done that addition, like the same procedure you have to do that subtraction. So write down the solution students. 5 by 13 minus 3 by 8. So what will get? So first of all you have to take this 13 and 8 LCM. Okay. So LCM of, you can write, I will write here, LCM is equal to how much? 104. So draw that line, the LCM will get 104 4. So now 104 divided by 13 is equal to 8. So remember the students, 104 divided by 13 is equal to 8. Okay, so next what will do, 8 into 5. So next step, 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So we have to write it 40 here, minus same procedure, 104 divided by 8. Answer what will get, multiply with 3. So 8 if you divide it, will get 13, 13 3 ja 39. So is equal to 1 by 104. This is our answer. Okay. Students, now example 2, I have written arrange 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 9 by 2 in the descending order. Students, first of all you have to see that what is the descending order. Descending order means already you have studied some larger number to smaller number. That means it will be decrease. Ascending order means smaller to larger. Okay, so how like you have to arrange that. First of all you don't know which one is smaller, which one is larger, like that we don't know. So first of all make it the same denominators or make it like denominators. Okay, so now look at here students. First of all take that LCM of 9, 3 and 2. How much will come students? So now observe that if you will take you will get 63. Once we can do that 9, 3, 2. So 3 LCM take 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1 and 2, 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Okay, so if you will see that 9 3 2. Okay, yes, 3 3 ja 9, 1 and 2. So now look at here students, the LCM will get 3 3 ja 9 ja 18 will get. Okay, now every denominator should be 18. So first of all write the 2 by 9 is equal to 9 into 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 by 18. Same like students, 2 by 3 is equal to 3 into 6, 2 into 6 is equal to 12 by 18. Same like 9 by 2 is equal to 2 into 9, 9 into 2 is equal to how much it will be? Sorry, 9 into 9, 81 by 18. So now according to the denominator, so we can find out that smaller number and a larger number. So larger number is 18 by 81 by 18 is greater than, okay, which one, 12 by 18 and next 4 by 18. So hence what is that, we have to write if 81 by 18 actually is equal to 9 by 2, hence 9 by 2, because this is actually real number, simplest form for of this. So 9 by 2 smaller than 12 by 18 is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and we can do this 2 by 9. So if you no need to like this, because we are writing only descending order, so we can write like this. Okay students, so I hope you have understand what is that descending order of the fractions, how like you have to write. If you write that ascending order, then you have to, this is descending order, descending order. If you will ascending order, then 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 9 by 2. This is ascending order. Okay, so like that way, every ascending or descending, that not a matter. First of all you have to take that LCM, next you have to make it the like fraction making after according to that numerator. What if it is as given what is that, the descending order, then you have to make it larger number to smaller number numerator. Then after if it is just given ascending order, then a smaller number to you have to make the larger number. So I hope you have understood about that, what is the like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fraction, example 1 and example 2. Okay, thank you all of students, and other that multiplication, division of fractions or other part of that fractions we will study in the next video. Thank you all of you.